Assalamualaikum, dear friends. The comparison of the adjectives still continue and going on. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the rest of the formations. First of all, we have the irregular comparison. Irregular comparisons. The following adjectives are compared irregularly. Are compared irregularly. That is, their comparative and superlative are not formed from the positive. Are not formed from the positive. How we have example good, superlative of good is better, comparative is better, and superlative is best. Same is the case with bad, evil, or ill. We have worse and worst, older or elder, oldest and eldest, late, later, latest and last, many, more and most in number, much, more and most in sense of quantity, and at last we have little. So comparative of little is lesser, and the superlative is least. Next, we have certain English comparatives that have lost their comparative meaning and are used as positive. They cannot be followed by then. These are farmer, latter, elder, hander, upper, inner, outer, and utter. How we have the example, the inner meaning of this book is not clear. Okay, so next example is my elder brother is a doctor. They by their farm they look like comparative, but they are used as positive. So we don't use them as comparative degree, and they have lost their comparative degree. Next, certain comparatives borrowed from Latin language have no positive and superlative degrees. They all end in or, not er. They are 12 in numbers. They are 12 in numbers. 5 of them have lost their comparative meaning and are used as positive. They are they are interior, exterior, ulterior, major, and minor. They are the 5. They cannot be used as the comparative degree. The other seven adjectives are used as comparative adjectives, but are followed by to instead of then. Okay, so some we have the 7 others. They are followed by to instead of then, and those are inferior, superior, prayer, interior, posterior, senior, and junior. Examples are Ali is junior to Ali. He is junior to Ali, and Ali is senior to him. We cannot say he is junior than Ali, so it will be incorrect. And same is the case. Ali is senior than him is incorrect, and if we say so, the correct of that is Ali is senior to him. Adjectives expressing qualities that do not admit of different degrees cannot be compared. Okay, some we have few adjectives that express qualities and that do not admit different degrees, so they cannot be compared with each other. Uh, we have the example square, round, perfect, eternal, universal, and unique. Strictly speaking, a thing cannot be more square, cannot be more round, and cannot be more perfect. But we say, for instance, this is the most perfect picture I have ever seen. But here we cannot say this is the more perfect I've ever seen, so it would be regarded as incorrect. So they cannot take comparative degrees. These square, round, perfect, eternal, universal, and unique cannot take comparative degree, and they are used as the positive or the superlative degrees. So boys, this was our today's video. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.